So once you have glued those tabs, the upper and the lower tab here, this flat edge will be pretty much taped onto the flange of the AMG GTS. So this is how it will look when you remove the existing the vent. Then you see this flat edge right here. This is when you will put a strip of a double side tape here, a double side tape here. Make sure you clean it really well before you applying it on, and then you just apply this piece right onto the part, and that's pretty much all you have to do. One thing that I recommend is on the on the 3D printed part, the plastic tab area, on the flat edge, maybe I would put on a bit of epoxy on there, just like brush on really lightly and then let it dry. So when you put double side tape on it, it will go on even more stronger. So it will be even more a sure bond. So, and then here is this is the back side of how it will look like. So from here, let me get to this edge right here. So right now we're looking at the back side of the vent. Okay, so when you install it from here to this edge, based on here, you can start off around 70 millimeters or 7 centimeters, and then from here to here at this leading edge, you can measure up to about 75 millimeters. Another way we can measure this is from here to this corner, this radius, that's about 72 millimeters. And then from here to around this corner edge, actually at the edge of this here, that's about 63 millimeters right here. So you can start from there and then try test fitting it, and then see how it fits, and then you can start to adjust to make sure you have a perfect fitment.